Hi guys, we're here today in Purley.
To start, press the trigger, stop, let out the trigger.
Now guys, let's take a look at Hi guys, welcome to the channel today, and we're here in Purley where we have done carbon removal on the entire building of this apartment building just over my right shoulder. Now with that, we've done the carbon removal the whole way around, both on the render and on the brickwork, but we're now left with what looks to be limescale staining on some of the bricks. So what we have done today is we have drafted in an external contractor who is going to go over to Limescale and treat it with their machine. Now guys, let's go take a look at the work we're going to be doing today and the stain that we're going to try our best to remove and bring it back to new.
Irish Gym, so we're just at the front of the building, so just want to tell the fans exactly what it is we're trying to tackle today.
What we have here is we've limescale coming down from the pipes up above, here and here. Now Mervyn, have a look at that side to see how bad that is. Now that side has been treated.
So this is this the
limescale? This
is the limescale we're talking about. So you've cleaned obviously the bricks, come up, but it's this tough limescale that you're struggling to tackle. And that's what's that? Is that coming from the downpipes here?
That's coming from the water pipes up the top. So as you can see, it's coming down the wall there.
So it's all the way. I see what you mean. And obviously this is the entrance to the building, so this is the most important part,
this is the most few part, and then we've got another section over this side to do as well. So with that, we'll be looking to treat as much of that as we can get access to.
Gotcha. So for you, this is a little bit of training today, right? So you're going to be training on a new piece of equipment. So LBC, keen to impress. You're going to learn a new bit of equipment and work with this contractor. So he's going to show you initially, and then just leave you to it, is he?
I've been informed by our managing directors that we are purchasing the new piece of equipment today, and I won't go into it. I'll leave Michael to speak about that and go over it because he's the expert on that. And Michael is going to be doing some of the work for us today. I'll be taking over. He's going to be doing some training with me. I'll be taking over then, and hopefully we'll be getting through as much as we can today.
So the front of the building, as you can see there to the left on the downpipes, that's mainly where we're going to be focusing on, but that's dotted around the building. It's this tough limescale. As you can see, the rest of the brickwork's come up lovely. It's just a case of getting those white stains out, that limescale. LBC, keen to impress. Even when they come across staining that they can't remove, they will find a way, adapt and overcome. So our guy Michael has arrived with his specialist equipment. So he's just going to give Jim a little briefing on this new bit of kit.
To start the compressor, you just put the fuel on, choke on, take the revs down. When it's full water, open the valve on the bottom. So before you start every day, open to drain the water, okay? Start this one, drain the water. To change the pressure on this going up to 7 bars. This is actually how many bars? So actually pull and up and down, because every meter, every length of the hose is the drop 1 bar. Inline dryer, okay. Plug in. To start, press the trigger, stop, let out the trigger. To change the nozzle, take this one off, because you got a few different nozzles. You see, you go like the 2.5, number 4, 2.5, and number 4. So if you want bigger area, you put the bigger nozzle. At the moment, this nozzle is 4. If you want wet blasting, you put the water switch on, you go water on. Change the pressure on the gauge, pull out, in, out, in, close. Yeah. This is the drain system, so quite often you can drain the water from the system. This valve is connection to the air from the compressor. So water, air, sun, that's it. Okay. Open this one, top up aggregate, as much you need. Only make sure it's dry, because otherwise they block your nozzle, yeah? You start the machine next. Slowly open, yeah? You want water add the water, yeah? Shove yourself on the front and try it, yeah?
Perfect.
Jim, easy?
Yes.
So we just remove the limescale from the bricks and no damage the fire skin on the bricks. So bricks will be undamaged and everything will be removed.
Oh, nice. So it's a good piece of equipment, yeah?
It is, yeah.
So other than Limescale, what other stuff do you think?
Carbon, everything is a stubborn, you know. If you clean the bricks, you got two different, is the dough, remove everything is what is the flexible, like the paint, organic stuff. Everything like the more stubborn, like the carbon, limescale, and all the other deposit have to be removed with the blasting system. Ear defender and the gloves, yeah?
Okay, so the guys are just getting their PPE on. And Michael's going to do a little demo. See it in action. Coming off an absolute treat. So Michael's just showing Jim the technique, nice steady hand. So I think Michael's saying that because of the sand, once they're all done, they're going to give it a little rinse down.